Hello everyone. Welcome at the Cryptoborg show. Today I felt to speak to you guys about a couple things, some tweets that need and deserve to be seen, and some information that maybe some people have missed. And also this project that I'm really hyped about is Cryptonovae. Basically, I want to speak about Cryptonovae first, and then we're gonna pass to the other subject. So first of all, Cryptonovae. Sorry for the spelling of the project. I'm really hype about it, but I have a hard time to spell it. But basically, they're building a tool for regular, unexperienced trader to be able to trade in there without having head rush and head pain with all those sharks and whale fighting them because they're equipped with the right tool. And also, they're building the same tool, but they're building a software also to make the experimented trader, the one that are well equipped already with all their knowledge, to be having even more stuff, more equipment. So this is a platform that's gonna basically revolutionize trading in my head, because for real there is much of things that are really needed in those exchange and into trading. Since I'm into that world of crypto, I noticed that we have also often to withdraw stuff from an exchange to send it to a wallet to do operation on a decentralized exchange, and so on, trade it back to decentralized exchange because there is a coin there that we want. And it's a bit annoying, all those transfer and all that. And some exchange, it's always market buy. There's no take profit, stop loss. I mean, there's stuff needed in that world, and Cryptonovae are here to fix those needs. And I have to say, first of all, also that Cryptonovae, for their sale, they went with DAO. So this is how I know about this project, because DAO, one day they came to us and they say, next incubated project is Cryptonovae, so do your own research on it. Which I did, which made me really willing to send iGas for getting them. I'm not even sure if I'm in the project yet. This is not a big deal for me. If I'm not in, I'm just gonna buy them off market when the bot gonna dump them, because each sales launch there's bot buying them up and they're dumping them, so I'm gonna buy them there if I'm not in the sale. Let's explain why that I'm hyped. So they're building an all-in-one multi-exchange trading system that you're gonna be able to trade several decentralized exchange and centralized exchange in the same place, with all the sophisticated trader experience through advanced chart feature. I'm gonna look at the demo with you. There's like a way that you can take your charts and line them up and move them the way you want, and you can have like literally 10 charts in your screen if you want, and zoom them out and in. It's pretty useful. The token is Yay. It's a utility token, and we're gonna see why, because it's used on the platform and it's used to buy stuff on their market, and it's also used to be into the staking, which also I have to say the staking offer basically, not the staking, but the project offer basically a weekly rebuy. Basically, they rebuy token weekly, and those tokens that they rebuy weekly, they're gonna burn one tier of them, and the two other tier are redistributed through the redistribution system, which means the staker and the loyalty program, if I'm right. But the software is a multi-exchange software, multi-screen function, precision time frame. You can add and stop loss and take profit. You can have bot to do automated trading. You can have a trade manager, indicator and strategy for cutting. And if you need an indicator that they don't deliver on the platform when they launch, you're going to be able to go to the marketplace and ask a coder, yo, I want this indicator, and they're going to build it for you and sell it into EA token if I'm right. But all that I'm gonna have to like follow the project more as they release more information, because at the moment I just read many stuff, and since there's so many project and so many stuff to read, like I didn't took like 24 hour to find all the information, but this is for me is great. uh like we were saying earlier, the challenge it's that we want a single app using for multiple exchange. It's not easy to set stop loss in all exchange and set stake profit. It's not easy to apply advanced strategy. They're not satisfied with the user experience generally, the people. So Cryptonovae, their solution is a multiple exchange in a single application. Set stop loss with a single click, drag and drop. Like we all are used to do drag and drop in so many stuff. Then the stop loss, you can do it like pretty intuitive way. Trade manager include emergency function, trader management for advanced trading strategies, include a user-friendly trader at all level. They did a study case for the market potential, and basically they projected the volume to grow 23.8% until 2024. So there's more trader and even more than the days goes on. So next bull run, there's gonna be even more trader. The token feature, the YE token, as I said, 1/3 of the token are burned. The third of the token that are burned is the token that they rebuy. And the rest are gonna be redistributed through the reward and affiliated system and loyalty program. So this is this repurchase program we were speaking of it. Basically, the app is gonna launch to the market on Q3 2021, fully launched on Q3 2021 with 5 exchange first integration, but they're gonna add more and more so on. There's gonna be a monthly fee subscription, but if you staking the token, you're gonna be saving money on those. And I'm gonna leave the pitch deck on the video link so you can go click on all those profiles to go see what they did in their life. But let's say maybe I didn't pick up like the biggest guy, like a community advisor, but like still the guy seems to have worked like at plenty place. So this is about it for that Cryptonovae. I'm just gonna show you a little bit the platform with the demo. But like you can see those guys, they have pretty interesting CV, and usually when people are endorsed, it's usually because they're real. It's rare that they're not endorsed. Like these guys seems pretty legit to me, and as I said, I'm hyped for this project. So let's see a little bit of the video presenting the project. So they're setting up different charts. They're gonna import different time frame of the same chart. So at the moment it's Ethereum with USDT. They checked on Binance in 1 hour, and they checked on Kraken in 1 hour, and they're zooming on it to check like everything's gonna be possible. You can see they have like multi-screen feature. Let's see the multi-screen feature. To me, those kind of projects are needed in the space, because like even if I'm not the bigger trader, the guy that trade the most, there's people that trade so much, and like let's say you have two screen, one beside them, one aside them, and you have this program and you're like dragging drop your chart to the like, come on, this is needed. So I hope you enjoyed that small segment about Cryptonovae. If that's the case, don't forget to smash the likes and share it to your friend. And let's say Cryptonovae has the Twitter also, which I'm gonna leave the link on the description of the video as well. So now I want to speak to you guys. It's about Daofi. Daofi Dex, it's a project that I spoke to you a lot. I even made a video when it was at 9 cents. I hope many of you have scooped them at 9 cents, but even right now, they're at a good price. It's not a financial advice in those videos, but let's say, but even at the price of today, they're at a good price. It's not a financial advice in those videos, but let's say that the coming weeks will be huge for Daofi. From their Telegram, we can see that the final audit report is gonna be like it. We're 1 week ahead of the launch, I believe, or 2 weeks. So let's talk about Daofi. This guy is breaking the fundamental down. So he says, bear with me, but I think that his post is really well made. So let's speak about Daofi DEX. They're building a decentralized which cater to DAOs and NFTs. It allows to fully customizable bounding curve. What is that, you might ask? Do you know that socks? That's right, a pair of socks that cost 75k at the time of writing these threads. Imagine the content creator athlete being able to launch their own token with a bounding curves. About the team, Andrew Lee is heading this project, who has been providing stellar weekly update and working on this full time for the past few months. Created Karma DAO, which did 600x. James Young, who created Collabs Land, which enabled tokenized community. Right now, Daofi has completed his first audit by Quantastamp and it's on its way to completing the second with consensus. After fixing the potential issue, Daofi DEX will officially launch, and it's still in stealth mode, which is why you probably haven't heard of it. The current market cap based on the circulating supply is 18 million of 60 million, which I think sorely undervalued. Andrew is also the marketing advisor to FTX. They did a fuck up at the start on their token generation event, which created a custom ERC20 contract that included an unlocking parameter. An error was made where ER1 and ER2 investors did not get their 20% liquid token and instead were set to unlock daily, which the reason for the initial dip. I was not in the Telegram, to be honest, at that moment, but I came because of the FUD, because I saw on Twitter one people saying, what the fuck is that launch? And I went into the comment and I saw about it. So after a day, I joined it and then I started to look at the project. Competitor, Dodo. Dodo DEX is 133 million market cap based on circulating supply. Uniswap, 6.5 billion market cap. So I'm gonna leave this link, this tweet and the link, but you can read it and click on all those links. Daofi is transparent around the round, not inside multiply yet for private sales, which gives you a lower chance to get dumped on. They will have a launchpad which project can launch kind of like Binance IAO. These launchpad tokens have done well, Ferrum, BNB, Cake. We can also speak about DUGDIM DAO Incubator. So he's personally invested, and it's not a financial advice, but he thinks that Daofi DEX price currently is really low. So I'm gonna leave this link about that tweet on the video description because I really think this guy broke the fundamental of it in a nice way. And he didn't even spoke much about the incubator. He just speak a little bit on the ninth point of it. And I really think that Daofi incubator won't be like other incubator, but I'm not sure yet because it's all in stealth mode, but I think Andrew will surprise us. Now the third thing I want to speak to you, it's about DOS Network. They had some update lately that I didn't cover up. So basically the Dodo DEX have listed DOS Network, and if you haven't tried Dodo DEX, the fees are a bit lower than on Uniswap at the moment, but I think they're heading to a layer 2 solution, and maybe they get there faster than Uniswap. So if that's the case and you're in US and cannot buy DOS on Bitmax, when your solution was pretty much only Uniswap, maybe Dododex is a nice place for you right now. There's also this update that they had about the Google Cloud partnership. Basically, some people may think that this update is a small thing that every project can sign up on Google Cloud, but they can sign up, but not as a partner. Basically, over here we have a tweet that breaks down all the fundamentals of all that. This person really went into that partnership and has questioned even to the CEO, and he came back with all what he had to say about DOS. So I'm gonna leave this tweet also. It's a pretty informative tweet for people that are wondering if there is update on DOS network. This guy broke down some of the update, and maybe some people haven't even read the new roadmap. I think it's really important for all of you to read the new roadmap. I have so many questions in the Telegram from people that are asking, are we gonna integrate Binance Smart Chain? I mean, it's written there, black and white, integration and support for Polkadot and Binance Smart Chain. Data stream, computer power, Oracle. Here, Q1 2021. So DOS network core functionality and the new DOS data stream will be deployed on Binance Smart Chain mainnet and Polkadot Alpha testnet. So guys, this is Q1 2021. Then there's the computing power Oracle will be deployed on Alpha testnet. Q2 is where they expand to another widely used EVM compatible blockchain. Maybe that's Echo. I don't know. But I think they're upfronting their roadmap at the moment with what we can see on the GitHub. DOS Network Launchpad will go live to incubate more projects in the DOS Network ecosystem. So a launchpad on DOS Network, that means an incubator system. Computing power Oracle will be deployed on beta testnet. So this is the Q2. So people who are asking like, when are we integrated with Binance Smart Chain? We're on track on our roadmap. So this is during Q1 2021. And basically right now, I think there's six weeks left to Q1. So guys, it's coming. Don't sell your DOS right away because you think we're not going to Binance Smart Chain and the hype is there right now. I believe we're gonna be integrated it really soon. But all these on my video are not financial advice, so do whatever you want. If you sell the low price and then you FOMO back, it's not it's basically all our decision. So take a look at the roadmap of each project before you think selling some stuff, because sometimes big stuff are coming, and since DOS delivered always, I don't know why they will not deliver this time also. So looking at the roadmap for Q2 2021, they say that there will be expanded to another widely used Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchain, which could be Cosmos, which could be, I don't know. But if we're looking at the DOS network smart contract GitHub, there's something that tells us that the contract DOS on-chain SDK Binance Smart Chain is there. And there's also one called Echo. What's Echo? Personally, I had no clue, and I decided to Google Echo. And then I found this thing over here, echo.org. So Echo Network is running decentralized application smart contract that interact with Bitcoin network. I don't see why we will do this. Right now people are like thinking the fee are high on Ethereum and all that. So why we will go to Bitcoin? So I decided to search more, And then when I searched more with Echo, I found UOB Echo Chain. So UOB Echo Chain is also HECO on one of their documentation. So it could be UOB Echo Chain, could be something else also. I have no big information about this. I'm just looking at the GitHub, but it feels like the Binance Smart Chain SDK at least is really soon to be ready. So when you look at this over here, you see that Truth compile, and if you look at Truth, they don't say about Echo Chain, they say for virtual machine, Ethereum virtual machine. So basically it's hard to connect the dot at the moment, but there's something coming, and according to that roadmap, it's expanding to another widely used EVM compatible blockchain. Which will it be? We don't know. We can just wait and see. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Don't forget to smash the like if you did find that content useful, and see you soon for the next video.